If someone's been bothering you on TikTok or you just want a little more peace on your feed, this update makes blocking faster and cleaner than ever. And in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to block anyone on TikTok, whether you're using an iPhone or Android, without wasting time. Let's get right into it. First, grab your phone and open the TikTok app. Now, you can either search for the person you want to block or simply go to your own profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This works the same on both devices, so don't worry about platform differences. Once you're on your profile, head into your followers or following list if that's where the person is, scroll until you find their name, then tap to open their profile. You can also do this directly from search results. Whatever is easier for you. Now that you're on their profile, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a small arrow icon. This is where TikTok keeps all the profile actions tapped at, and a menu will slide up with different options. From there, simply choose block, and TikTok will ask you to confirm. Tap block again, and you're done. The moment you block someone, they can no longer follow you, comment on your videos, message you, or even view your content. It completely cuts off interaction, giving you full control over your space on the platform. And that's all it takes. Just a few taps and the problem is gone. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, the steps are identical, so you never have to guess or troubleshoot. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and clear tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.